We're actually going to switch over to comfort, which I believe you'll actually use for everyday driving, especially on the highway. So we're just going, just looked at the highway there, it's quite busy, just going about 30 kilometers an hour. And as soon as I get on the slip road, I'm going to get my foot down and get all the way up to 100. Nice smooth power delivery. This has actually got 160 kilowatt single motor which powers the front wheels, and it's got more than enough power to get you safely up to speed. I'm just actually merging in front of a lorry now, and there was absolutely no problems whatsoever. So from that 160 kilowatt motor, like I say, single motor, drives the front wheels, there's actually 320 newton meters of torque as well. So more than enough for highway driving, even when you've got 5 people in the car.